Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday, and I'm going to do this mask. Let me get it started and then I'll read to you about it. And I have a towel here, and Camille has taken over the towel like it's her bed. So let me open it. Of course, when I tear that, it tears through the name, but we'll get through that. This is a two-part mask, so a top and a bottom. And I always think, I could be wrong, that putting the bottom on first is helpful. I'm not real sure. Let's see. It's gold foil, which is cool. It's supposed to put the heat in. Now, I don't know if it's, ooh, is it loaded with essence? I just ate some of it. That feels good. Yeah, some of it went in my mouth. Thank you, Camille, for, I'm gonna need that towel, love. Okay, there is a ton of essence on this, y'all. Now, I've been going through my masks, and some of them are getting to the point where they're getting old. I didn't mean for that to happen, but sometimes when I get new masks, I just throw them in to a mask bin. I have several, and then I forget to look at them. So, but when you have a foil mask, it's supposed to retain the heat on your skin, which is supposed to help the essence, you know, penetrate. I don't know about all that, but that's what they say. So this is very nice. I believe I got this from Stylevana, I think. And I haven't had anything from Stylevana in a while, so I think I did. It's possible that I got it somewhere else. Okay, so there it is. Okay, Camille. She's having a bath now on my towel that I need. Anyway, okay. So this is all over the table. It says Gold Essence Mask Premium. I don't have any nails on today. I'm working on cleaning them up, cutting them down. They were getting very long under my nails. This is Doll Gray Skin brand. And it's mostly all in Korean. There's a little bit of English. Excellent moisture with gold foil mask. Amazing brightening wrinkle care of gold essence. And on the back, in all of the Korean that's written there, I see 15-20. So 15 to 20 minutes. And then it does have the ingredients in English as well. Made in Korea. It's a very nice mask. Okay, Camille, I do need some of the towel, lovey. So I'm going to announce the winner from my Dollar Tree collab that I was in, that I was very fortunate to be in. I had a lot of fun with the ladies, with the other channels. We had 12 channels, that includes me, and I'm going to be in another BT train collab with them for Thanksgiving/Christmas. So that comes up in the middle of November. So keep a watch out for that one. That'll be fun. Of course, we'll all do giveaways. So I may have to go get, let me do that. Let me get my mask. Y'all, I came back and Camille looked up at me and I must have scared the dickens out of her because she ran. The lovely Just Joe with Real Beauty sent me this in friend mail. And I do have a couple of these. I just forget to use them. But this one you can see through. I have like a pink one, I think, and maybe an aqua. This is nice because this one comes under the chin. I don't know that the other ones I have do that. They tend to fit tight on my ears because I guess I have a big head. But that's okay. It'll hold the mask in nice and tight. And that will benefit my skin. So, I was gonna see if there's anything more. I don't think there's anything more to tell you about the mask. Okay, so what did you all think of the Fab Fit Fun choices? I did talk a little bit about it on my Fab Fit Fun. Y'all, on my Friday night gab. I was live this past Friday the 13th, and I had trouble with that live. I was doing just fine, or so I thought. I didn't have any buffering, but the audience had buffering, so I had to restart. So there are two parts to that. If you didn't see that, I did mark them part 1 and part 2. If you get a chance, go watch those if you want to. And the Fab Fit Fun choices the categories have a lot of items in there. So hopefully, if you get Fab Fit Fun, you'll be able to find something you like. I have a struggle with a couple of the categories, but that's okay. I'll figure it out when it's time, which is Friday. Friday the 20th, I believe it is. And I think it's at 12 noon Eastern time, and I could be wrong about that time. I don't really remember when it goes up. I'll have to look. I'll have to look for that. And right now, the Mega Drop Shop is going on for Ipsy or Boxycharm, whichever you want to call it. And it's not last year's Mega Drop Shop in October. Actually, it might have even been November. For Boxycharm was phenomenal. Was it last year? I think so. And I miss that. I miss Boxycharm's Mega Drop Shop. There are some good prices, but there's a lot of expensive things. And you know, is it because they merged? Is it because things are so costly nowadays? Who knows? I found a few things. I actually bought a couple of things before the drop shop started. And I did get that package, but I haven't opened it yet. And I did get a little bit of something else that'll be coming in a day or two. And eventually I'll get it up to show you. It just depends what else is out there to show. All right, Camille, you're gonna sit on top of my notes. And also, I never got to tell you, I had a list of things for the Friday Night Gab, but then when we get to talking, I don't get to do everything on my list. So on my list was to tell you all about my Stitch Fix. My Stitch Fix, although I liked generally most everything, I didn't keep anything because there was that rayon blouse in there, and I just don't want the responsibility of having to take care of rayon. I have asked them for no more rayon. They have sent me my list to go over. They send you an email with 10 items where you can choose, pick and choose what you want, what you don't want, what you like, what you don't like. And there was some rayon in there, so I took that out. So I'll be getting another fix somewhat soon. I think I'm gonna maybe taper off a little bit for the holidays because I don't need any clothes really. Or things that I need, I can't really find. I haven't been able to find with them. So, but you never know. You never know. They may send me something fabulous that I just love. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, okay. So now my winner for the Dollar Tree train was Fall into Halloween. That was the title. It was so much fun. There were 12 channels, and I just had a lot of fun with all the channels. And the winner for my giveaway. Now, when I say this, every channel did a giveaway, and every channel will have a winner. So I always do a video for my winner. I've told you all that before. Some channels do their community tab, and when the community tab goes up, it does not. Even if you're subscribed and have all your notifications on, it will not tell you that there is a community tab. So you have to actually go look at those channels' community tab to see if they have announced the winner. If you don't see a video in a day or 2 or 3, then check their community tab. But you don't want to wait too long because some people are strict on their 48 hours or 24 hours. I'm not so strict about it. And my winner is Anne-Marie Ramos. And I will get in touch with her. I know Anne-Marie, so I'm very happy that she won my giveaway. And she is subscribed to all 12 channels. I did have a little trouble when I was picking, and the first person I picked was not subscribed to all the channels. So, and a lot of y'all were not publicly subscribed. So there is another Dollar Tree train coming, like I said, in the middle of November. So I have a video, I'll put it in this description, about how to make your account public. And if you're just on your phone, the video is for your computer or laptop or tablet, how to change it. And if you don't have access to that and you just have your phone, there is a pinned comment in the video that tells you how to change it on your phone. It's super easy, super easy. So make your account public so that you can win. If you have never made a change to your account, then you are private. And even though, yeah, some people say to me, oh yeah, I can see my comments, so I'm public. No, you're not. Everybody can see your comments. We just can't see who you are subscribed to if you are private. So you have to be public to win those giveaways. So just want to tell you that. And that's really it. So please, would you take a moment to congratulate Anne-Marie in the comments? And y'all, I've been wearing my black cat t-shirt from the CatLady Box, the October Black Cat box, and I just love it. It's been so comfortable. And y'all have a wonderful week, and do something to take care of yourself today. And go check out the other Mask Monday ladies, Mask Monday friends, and Mask Monday. They're all hashtagged, and I'll have those hashtags in the description as well, so you can find the other channels. And have a great week, y'all, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.